Welcome to the 2024 VIE Boat Show. We're out of the USVI now. I am Michelle from Epic Yacht Charters, and we would love to show you a brand new Bali 54 that we're really excited about. We're starting our day and our entire show with this boat.
Yep, first one of the day.
Step aboard.
I'll show you the name. LA VIE EST BELLE. I hope I said that correctly.
Well, he's gonna school us on the name now.
Okay,
so,
right.
Okay,
let's go meet our captain.
Oh, Hannah, it's a really, really nice
Oh, look
logo.
at that.
I love that.
That's neat.
Okay, I'm Michelle from Epic.
Nice to meet you. Pepin. Captain of...
Hannah from Epic. Nice to meet you. Hi.
Nice to meet you.
Hello.
Nicole,
Hi.
nice to meet you.
So
Nice
tell
to
us
meet you,
how to
Nicole.
properly say it.
It's pronounced La Vie est Belle.
Oh, LA VIE. Oh, so let's, yeah, so it's a
And
silent.
what does it mean?
The good life.
There we go.
Life's good.
It is good.
And are you French?
No, we're both Dutch.
Oh, cool.
Dutch.
Yeah.
Oh, okay.
From Amsterdam.
Oh, I went to Amsterdam earlier in the year. Loved it. Yeah, first time.
Do you remember being in Amsterdam?
No, I remember the coffee shops. No, I'm joking. I'm joking. I'm absolutely joking. Don't listen to that Insta.
Yeah.
Don't.
No, mommy didn't. hear
No,
that.
honestly, no.
So do you want to do upper deck first?
Yeah, let's do that. Right. I'm just gonna.
I'm gonna let you
Yeah.
lead, Captain. And this is the.
I'll put it inside for you.
Yeah, thanks.
I know that
I'm very
the proper
clumsy.
terminology is not fake tech.
I like this. It's nice
Fake
on your
teeth,
feet.
but it's
It's
I like
lovely,
it.
yeah. It's called Sea Deck. It's
Sea Deck.
That's it.
Sea
more
deck.
comfortable than the real deal.
It is more comfortable.
Wow, look at this Flybridge, Hannah.
Oh, this is lovely. Nice, guys.
This is my desk.
Your desk, lovely desk.
Yeah.
Nice.
Beautiful.
Oh, nice breeze. It's very warm here in the BVI today.
Yes.
But it's not raining like the USVI.
Oh yeah, that was a bit of a
there's
washout.
definitely a seating area, which we really like.
So
And
does
it
this
seats for
table
8.
go bigger or no? It
These are
stays like that.
non-foldable. The ones downstairs and in the front are
Yep.
foldable. These
So you
ones
can
there.
definitely have your cocktails.
Cocktail hour up here
Yeah.
at
And
Anchorage.
behind me, you could lay in the sun.
Yeah.
That's nice.
Good sun mats here.
You look right at home.
Perfect.
Right at home,
I might
Michelle.
as well take this right here. This is Michelle from EpicYachtCharters.com.
Yes.
We would love to help you book this boat.
Yeah.
Okay.
Okay. Oh, we got a little fridge up here too.
We've got a little fridge, and behind
Your
you
beers.
we have a giant cooler.
Oh,
So enough
Excellent.
space to keep the drinks
Yep.
cold.
Excellent. That's
And we can see
important.
the water toys on the bow.
Nice.
Okay, snorkel gear. Oh, look at the scooters, sea scooters. We like that.
Sea
Yeah.
scooter. So 3 of
Paddle
those.
boards.
A sub wing. That's always good fun.
And this boat's
Cool.
new.
It's brand new.
Brand new.
Brand new.
Yeah.
So you haven't done a charter on her yet?
Oh, we've got several people that have holds on this boat.
Yes,
So
yes.
they're really excited.
When is your first charter?
So for now we have a charter booked for New Year's, and that's it. So we're
So you've still got Christmas open, guys.
Christmas week.
In the big Christmas, we were crew ourselves.
Oh, really?
Well,
Many,
you did
many,
more
many,
years
many,
than
many
I
years.
did. I think 9. You were maybe more than that. But Christmas is such a great time
Yeah.
to come here as a family. It's so
As a
lovely.
family, it's magical.
It's a perfect. Yeah.
All right, let's see the inside. We'll let you guys lead the way since this is your boat.
And what boats have you worked on before?
We've both worked in the Mediterranean before.
Oh,
so
whereabouts?
always, like smaller catamarans.
Okay.
In Croatia and in Greece.
Oh, I love Croatia. I was there at the Charter Yacht Show about a month ago. Love
love
that
that.
country.
Yeah.
So amazing.
gorgeous.
Yeah.
Inside.
I love the
Let's
decor.
talk about one of the features of the Bali 54. Do you mind putting the window forward? The garage door or not?
This one?
Yeah.
Or the big one?
The big one. Of course. Okay, here we go, Hannah.
Okay.
First. So one of the features of the Balis is the ability for this to become inside and outside space. So he's going to bring this, she's going to bring this, sorry, I'm going to get stuck in it.
Be
She's going to
careful
bring
for
it
your
down so that you guys get indoor and outdoor space.
There's Erin.
Watch out for you.
We're live on Insta. So yeah, as you can see, it's like a garage door that comes down. So you can have the AC on inside and be nice and cool.
You don't have to put it all the way down.
Yeah, you don't have to put it all the way
We
down,
just wanted
don't
to
worry.
show it
Just
as a
to show
feature.
people. And then you've got this beautiful space that is like outdoors but in. Look at your table. Are you going to do the tablescape competition.
Yes, I am.
I love it.
How many people wish I go next? Ultra, please. We're live on Instagram, babe. That's our photographer. He's
This would
finding
make
a
me
boat.
worried, but it's okay.
Okay, so you're four
That's
queens
beautiful.
with 4 bathrooms, correct?
Yeah.
And do you have a dedicated master or?
Yeah.
We
From
do.
the outside,
Okay. Do you want to take us down?
Thank you.
We're gonna check your
Do you want to
carpet.
lead the way? Oh,
She's left you to it.
we're busy already.
That's good.
That's a very good sign. Yeah.
It is a good sign. Okay, so this is the master cabin. Oh, look at this. Beautiful. Oh, it smells new. I love
Yeah.
it.
We
Excellent.
have all the way in the back. We have a toilet, and then over here we have the shower.
So separate toilet in there.
Yes. Yes.
Okay, and then you
Desk.
a door straight out to the
Yeah.
aft deck.
Yeah.
Oh, nice storage.
Yeah,
Lots of
there's
storage. Look at
actually
this.
So much storage in this
I'm
cabin.
missing
Wow.
that.
Those nice baskets.
Wow.
Oh,
People are
look
gonna
how
go
neat. Look how neat you've done all that. It's lovely.
Any questions on Instagram land, Hannah? Has anybody?
Oh, anybody got any
Anybody
questions for
saying
this
hello?
boat?
Is anyone alive today? It's
We've
early
got a few
for our
viewers.
tour.
Hi Tommy, we're going to come and
hi,
see
Tommy.
you soon.
Hi, Tommy.
Tommy can't wait to go live on Olivia Charles.
Yeah, Tommy loves live on Instagram. Olivia Charles hashtag. Hashtag Olivia Charles.
Yeah.
So good feature being a separate bathroom.
Yes.
Sorry, separate toilet,
Toilet.
from a separate shower. People
Yeah.
love that. Okay, so let's go to cabin 2. This is also a queen. Oh, you didn't try to get in the shower.
Oh,
Hold on.
shall I- hang on,
Yes, Hannah always gets in the
I
shower.
get in the
as
shower.
primary.
Just to show
you put
people
the light on?
size.
Okay,
we
hold
go.
on.
There we are.
There we go.
Nice.
Okay, happy?
Perfect.
Rain head or not?
Size. Not a rain head.
Just kidding.
Perfect.
Okay, da 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 da. Clean, come out. It's hot
I
enough
could do
actually
the shower
today,
now
right?
actually because I'm.
Okay.
I did have one this morning, but it's
It's hot.
Okay,
it's
so
hot.
we're gonna go into Queen 2. Lovely bed. So this one would
Nice.
be a bit of a step up, but there is 2 steps to the side, so
Yeah.
you could still get in.
Yeah.
There we go.
And then we have separate. It's dry head.
It's a
again
dry
for
head,
those
that's
in
good.
Marine world. Yeah, sorry, it's the yachty and me still. I'm like, "Eee, don't open it. It's not your book.
Look at your nice new
Very
linens and
nice.
things. Oh, so beautiful.
Very nice.
Nice. Excellent.
Oh, I'm hoping that our guests that have the whole time maybe are
Oh, I
on. I should have.
know.
Let me text her quick and say we're on the boat. How about
Oh,
that?
okay.
So do you want to do the other 2 cabins?
Yeah, let's go. Hi.
So this is our twin cabin.
Oh, look at it. Does it convert to a queen or not?
No, it doesn't.
That's
This
fine.
is usually the crew cabin.
Oh, okay.
Yeah. So guests can also book this, and then we'll move to another one. But
Okay.
this is our standard cabin.
Okay. So good for children.
Yeah.
Oh, I do love all your blankets.
Yes.
Did the owner of the boat buy these, or did
Yeah.
you have some help with
I
it
had-
all?
Yeah, a little bit.
Oh,
But the
nice.
owners picked up the colors and stuff. so-
I love it. I
Yeah.
love all the neutrals and I love all the blues
Same,
you've got
yeah.
upstairs. It's really nice. Oh, this boat is gorgeous.
Oh, this is nice. So we got the. Are these convertible twins?
No, these are.
Is this the crew cabin?
Yeah, this is the crew
This
cabin.
is the
but
crew
people
cabin.
can also book this
Oh,
one if
and
they
is there a
want.
charge to switch?
I think it's $800 to switch.
Okay,
Yeah.
so
Okay, that's
if
fine,
you had
yeah.
a family and
Yeah.
they wanted to switch with the twins,
Yeah.
you could. Or the infamous teenage boys
Oh,
who
they-
mustn't ever touch when
Exactly.
They don't like to touch.
do.
Even if they're brothers, they don't like
This
to
is nice.
touch.
This is
They can
this
just
is
a good
take this
size.
one.
really nice. Let me check the bathroom.
That's a good sized cabin.
Yeah.
Okay, so generally, like she said, generally this would be the crew cabin, and this boat would offer 4 queens. So inquire if you needed 3 queens and a set of twins.
On Epic Yacht Charters.
As my sunglasses fall down. On epicyachtcharters.com. You can
Okay.
reach us at info@epicyachtcharters.com.
There we go. And you,
As we continue the tour.
yes, and you can check out this boat on our site. You can search for it in the
The magnifying
search
glass.
facility. Yes, the magnifying glass.
We have one cabin left.
Okay,
Yeah, that's
And are you guys a couple?
Yes.
Okay.
good. We like couples.
We're not married, no.
Oh, you never know. Soon.
Contention.
This is
Okay,
our last
Dan.
cabin.
Nice. So you'd move into here potentially
Potentially, yeah.
if we needed the twins. Oh, this is nice too.
Oh, you gotta love a brand new boat, Hannah.
Oh, I love a brand new boat.
Me too.
Oh. Okay, so this is a wet head.
Yeah. So
But
Yes.
well, it's still a good size. Hi. Perfect. Lovely. There we go, guys. La Vie. Let me say it.
Let's see. Let's
La Vie.
La Vie
Belle. La Vie
Let's
Belle.
say it really fast.
La Vie. Let's just show.
Nobody noticed.
There we are. If
There
you
we
want to
go.
search for this on the website, Epic Yacht Charters.
It's a brand new addition to our website, www.epicyachtcharters.com. We only pick the best boats to feature on the site.
Yes, and this one's beautiful.
Yes.
Thank you.
Really, really
very
good
much.
job, guys.
thank you.
Anything else you want to tell us?
Well, like I already said, we're wide open. So
Yeah.
if you want to spend a week with us, you're more than welcome. Pick a good
Speak to
day.
Michelle or myself, and we can,
We're super excited.
yeah,
to start the
get you
season,
booked.
so-
These guys are raring to go. They're young, you see. I was like that one day. Cool.
Any Instagram questions? Do we see anything? People are waving and they're on. Anybody have any questions? I love the blue. See, blue's my favorite color,
Yeah,
so I love
so
your
nice.
tablescape.
Really happy with that.
So I'm not sure if there's any influence in the tablescape contest today, but La Vie Belle
Yeah.
is a definite
Oh,
contender.
very good. I like it. Oh, the theme was one colour, wasn't it? A shades of different colour. Was
Yeah.
that the theme?
Is
Yeah.
everybody shades of blue or just you?
I'm not sure what everyone
It's
else
a
is
shade
doing.
of any-
Yeah. I know Emma's doing blue as well on
On hashtag Olivia
hashtag Olivia Charles with at Tommy Hemsley,
Charles.
who loves going live on Insta. He's gonna hate us
I know we
later.
are. Tommy, I hate to tell you, but we're gonna do it. We're coming for you, Tommy. We're coming for you.
Cool. Okay. Right.
thank
We
you,
will love
guys.
you and leave you. Thank you so much.
Thank you for
so
taking
much.
the time.
Of course, no problem.
Thank you. Right. Oh.
Oh, one more.
Oh.
Epic Yacht
Oh, hang on.
Charters.
Hang on. Cancel. Yep. Sorry.
EpicYachtCharters.com, baby.
Perfect.